Hey guys, in one of our last videos you saw where the power company had come and trimmed all the trees that was in the power lines. After they trimmed, they used the stump grinder and ground out the stump and the roots, which left several big piles like this all up and down our driveway. Well, today we're working on getting those piles picked up and flattened out so we don't have the big humps in our yard. We've done down through here already. Another thing that is a definite plus with getting all those trees trimmed is we have a massive wood chip pile. We definitely will not need chips for a long time. Now back to work on the hole again. Is it hard to work, Jackson?
Yes. I think you're good, Dad.
I don't think you're full. Hey guys, does that look full to you? Or does that look like a little boy who don't want to work? Come on, keep working. Everybody works on the farm.
No fun. Why do we want to farm? Why does it have to be so small?